Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a special guest with me who's come all the way from Oldham, which is in the north of England if you don't know, and he's gonna be doing my makeup because I'm so sick and tired of doing my makeup and I want someone to do it for me.
Oh, that's you using me then, are you?
Yeah.
You're using me.
I thought it'd be funny to like make my granddad do my makeup because he doesn't really know much about makeup.
It's true.
Because when I was putting out the products he was like, what is this? Or is this what you use to put your eyelashes on?
Well, I don't know, do I?
Well, like, grandma doesn't wear makeup, so like you don't really see someone do makeup all the time. So like,
I never watch anybody do me. I've seen a couple of your vlogs.
yeah.
And I always fast forward that bit when
What you mean you fast forward?
Because they're boring.
Do you know any of these products, Brian?
Whoops. New Romance blush. That's to go on your cheeks. I know what that's for. Yeah. 2 dead spiders in a box here.
Oh,
What are
yeah.
them? What are them for?
For my eyelashes.
Oh, them are eyelashes. Sorry, I thought we had 2 dead spiders.
Do you remember when I lived at your house?
Yeah.
And you like saw them on the couch?
Yeah.
You thought it was a spider?
Yeah. So you want me to make you look beautiful?
Yeah.
Okay.
Change this.
What happened last night then? Did you not get any beauty sleep or what?
What you mean?
This is the picture that she wants me to make her look like. Here's the before, and here's the after. Can we do this, or is it a mission impossible? I will do my best.
Let's see how good you can do makeup.
Okay.
I will be very impressed if you can
Okay,
do my
well,
makeup.
I've just had a little quick look. You have some foundation cream, which is the first stuff to go on, right? But do you put it on with your hands?
I don't know.
Oh,
It's up to you to decide. You can decide whether you want to use a brush.
yeah, but let's see what happens first.
Wait. I'm scared my brush put my hair back. Granddad, I'm scared. What are you doing?
Do I do it with a brush then?
What you
What? I'm gonna put it on your... Oh no.
Like how you just dabbing it.
No, it's working. It's working. Don't worry.
Look how
Hey,
red
that
my
looks
face
good.
is. Look.
That looks good, actually. I've got to feather it off at the sides here so it doesn't look... There we
Yeah,
go.
that's good. Blending is key.
Blending it in. So, can you just turn your head this way a little bit? Yeah, that's good.
It feels nice to get your makeup.
What I'm going to do it the logical way. Start at the top and work down. I did the bottom first, and then I did the top and it made a mess and it run down. It'd spoil the bottom. So I'm going to start at the top and work down. I'm going to start with your eyebrows. Well, this is a lip pencil, so I've got the wrong one there.
Yeah,
I'm reading it, you see. That's not that. But I know there's going to be something here that's... Eye pencil. I'm going to make your eyebrows the normal shape first. How do you want them more pronounced?
I like it to be a little bit more arched.
Well, I'm going to have to work on that one a little bit. Oh, there we go.
You got it?
Not really, no, but there we go. This one looks a bit weird. That looks a bit weird.
Oh yeah, I just wanted to tell everyone I'm not looking until the end, so like whatever he's doing, I don't know.
She wants it to be a nice surprise. Gotta just blend your foundation in there a little bit.
Is it looking good?
Well, it's very dark. Now I've got to do your eyes.
Okay.
So I'm going to put some... see if I
That's
can...
good. Yeah, you do foundation, eyebrows, and eyes. That's how it goes. Let me just have some vino.
Yeah. This is the right stuff to do your eyes with.
Yeah.
Okay, well I'll take an eyebrow brush. I'm going to take it off light.
Remember, we're going out later, Grandma, so you gotta make me look really nice.
Oh, you'll have to wash it. You'll have to wash it all off if we're going out somewhere. Can I use the same brush for this?
Yeah,
it won't ruin it.
Yeah, you can.
You wanted it a little bit darker,
yeah,
right?
I wanted it smoky eye.
Smoky eye. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's look better without the darker stuff, actually. What does that say?
Oh, you always pick up the same one.
Keep picking up the same one. It's a Mac PowerPoint eye pencil. So I think it goes here.
I think the hardest part about doing your makeup is definitely like the eyeliner. So if you can get the eyeliner right, you have potential.
It's spread a little bit there. It's okay, I've got rid of it. Now the other side. Keep your eyes closed. Oops.
That doesn't sound good.
No, I'll keep your eyes closed. I've got to blend a little bit. Oh, that's different.
Does it look good?
Now we'll put the eyelashes on, right? That's these 2 dead spiders. But I don't know what you stick them on with. Well, this says that it's a fix, prep and prime. but I don't know what it does actually. Oh, hang on, it's a skin refreshener and a finishing mist. I guess you spray that on after to seal everything.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm getting good, aren't I? Oh, ha, found it now. It does say duo eyelash adhesive on it. Oops.
Oh,
They're
no.
flying eyelashes. Are they handed or one will do either?
There's a left one and a right one.
Oh, now it's getting complicated, this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Close your eyes.
If you can do this, Granddad, I'll be really, really impressed.
No, it looks a bit rough.
It looks a bit rough.
No, that's not good. I'm going to try it a little bit lower. Right. That's better.
Looks good?
Yeah, that's better.
Oh, Granddad!
If I make a mess of these, I'll buy you a new pair of lashes tomorrow.
That's okay.
Right, well, let's get them on then. It's sticking to my fingers. Right, oh, open your eyes. No, that doesn't look good at all. That doesn't look good at all. Mike, New Romance Mini Relays. It's French. It's a blush. It's a blush, not a brush. I'm just struggling to open this.
It's kid proof.
It's it's kiddie proof.
Oh, I'm liking that application.
You like it?
It's just going everywhere, huh?
Now the other side. Oh, going overboard with it. Next, we've got to do the lips. Show me where the lip liner is. One of these?
One of these ones.
One of these, okay. I'm only going to put a little bit on. I'm not going overboard with this.
Does it look good?
Not really, no. Right, now we want some lipstick. Used to come in a roll-up thing, does it still?
Oh, there
Like
you go.
Don't laugh. You'll get on your teeth. No, just let's have a look.
Does it look good?
I don't know, I'd like to see that picture again, I think. Do a pose, a similar pose to...
Wait, I'm like...
That way, that's it. I don't think that's too bad, actually.
Really?
Yeah. So I've got 3 products left. This is product number 1. And it's a MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. A Hoola Benefit. And it just looks like it's some kind of a thing you put on with a brush. But I don't know what it benefits. Maybe it makes you... emphasizes things or something, does it?
Yeah, that's good. There you go. Look at he's already got it. You might as well be a makeup artist.
I'm a quick learner. Well, I'll just grab this delicate brush here. It says all over face or... Oh, it's black. I made a right mess of that now, haven't I? We're doing well then before that came on. Oh. Trying to con me into makeup because it looks so good. You can't do your makeup as good as me, right? So you're trying to throw me a curveball and make a mess of it.
I'm trying to give you a challenge.
But don't worry, you've been a challenge, all right. So that's that one done.
Okay.
And now I've got to do this. It's a concealer. Ooh.
Oh, it always pours out too much.
It always pours out too much. Look at that. I'm going to pick on that little spot there.
I'll give you a hint. Sometimes we put it under our eyes.
Under the eyes?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that looks a right mess now. That don't look right. That's a... I need a tissue or something to wipe it off. Have you got a tissue?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on a minute. Oh, I see, yeah, okay.
Does that look a little bit better with that?
A little bit, yeah. You've got a little tiny bit of black under your eye. I don't know where it came from, actually. It's dropped down from above somewhere. Right, now I'm going to seal it all.
Okay.
And I think we've done then. So if I can manage to open this thing. Right, close your eyes. Are you sure I can put this all over your face now?
Yeah.
And you don't need to spread it in or anything.
Oh my god, that's so close.
Is that okay?
It's supposed to be a mist. You're like...
Okay, a little bit more on the side. Okay, we're done. We're done.
Okay.
Tutorial over. Time for a drink. I deserve that now after that, don't I?
I need a mirror. Okay, let me look.
Right, now she's going to have a look and see what the finished effect is. The moment of truth.
Of truth. Okay.
Right.
Oh my god. I mean, it's good.
Is it good? It's not bad.
It's not bad.
My first attempt.
I actually really like that foundation.
There you go, see?
To be fair, you've blended in the foundation really nice. It doesn't look very cakey. It's very glowy. It looks really good. The only thing I think I would improve on is maybe just putting the eyelashes a little bit closer. I think maybe that's why it looks funny.
How do you mean closer? What do you mean closer?
Like
further in?
Yeah, like further down, like
Oh yeah.
Should I go out like that?
Yeah. She's got to do. She's got to go out like that now.
Oh my god, Francesca.
That doesn't matter.
The eyebrows. I actually like the shape of the eyebrows a little
You
bit.
do?
Yeah, a little bit. I look like Ash from Pokemon. Do you know what that is?
No, I don't
Showed
know.
you. Oh wait, no, sorry, Brock.
Well, you asked them to be arched a little bit. I don't think that's too bad.
No, for your first time, Granddad, you did pretty good.
Thank
I
you.
would say.
Right.
I'd say you do a lot better than a lot of girls that I see on the street. Okay, let's cheers. Thank you very much for coming on my channel.
Now let's get lit. Another little top up.
Shake that thing.
It's even got your name on it. Megan.
What?
Megan.
I think he's already drank a little bit too much. That was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my granddad put on my makeup. Did you enjoy it?
Do you want me to be honest?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, you actually did enjoy it?
No.
Oh, I thought you said
No, I did it for you.
yeah, oh.
I did it for you.
Sweet. Grandma's gonna have a good laugh when she watches this
Oh, yeah.
video. No, she
Oh,
will.
yeah, she will.
Auntie Julie too.
She'll follow you.
I don't know actually.
Okay.
Hey Auntie Julie. if you're
Hello,
watching
Auntie
this.
Julie.
If you're watching this. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you really soon with my next video. Bye! See you soon. Peace. Oh, do you like my new setup, by the way?
What?
I've never filmed here before.
Oh, have you not?
The
Oh,
first
yeah.
time I've filmed here.
Yeah.
This is the window, the
Yeah.
lights and stuff.
Yeah.
Granddad's like,
Yeah. Okay. Right, we're done.
we're done.
Job's a good one. It doesn't look bad at all.
You don't think so?
No.
Granddad says that this looks this. If he saw me walking in, he would think I looked
would, yeah.
normal.
I wouldn't notice anything was bad about it. Honestly, I wouldn't.